Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming to share a couple of cards that I made. And I used this Just Add Cake birthday card making kit from Spellbinders. Now, this kit has a ton of items in it, and I wanted to share with you. I'm pretty sure you've seen these on other crafters videos, but I thought I would share the kit with you and what it contains. And here we go. So first up, you have these little domes that are to be used with shakers. And then you got some shaker bits. Some really pretty colors there. You get a 1/4 size double-sided adhesive roll from scrapbook.com. You get the Spellbinders Color Wheel cardstock, and it's 20 sheets of the 100-pound cardstock. And then I think this was curated just to go with the kit because it says Just Add Cake Creative Spark Pack. So you see all the different colors there. And then you get some rub-ons, and you can see, well, one is missing from mine there, but I'll share more in a moment. You get this stamp and die set. It has some really nice sentiments on it. Birthday wishes, happy birthday, just add cake. It's your birthday, devour it. Leave nothing but crumbs. So, and then some sub-sentiments like cheers to you, to a true original, a friend worth celebrating, and so on. So, super cute. And then here's the coordinating die set for the stamps. Then you get these this die set, super easy to use. It has 5 sentiments: make a wish, celebrate big, just add cake, make it count, and happy birthday. And I cut a couple of them out. And this is the make a wish and the happy birthday. Cute, cute, cute. And then let's get into the die sets. So you have this floral die set. It says let the day grow wild. And this is where you would use your little domes because they fit in the center of the flower there, and you can make it a shaker. Super cute. Then we have the cupcake. I use the sentiment, have the sweetest birthday. This cupcake got a lot going on, doesn't it? It's beautiful. You can do the floral. You don't have to. You can just have a regular cupcake. But all you need is in this cute little die set. Another die set. I used the the sentiment, leave nothing but crumbs. And there's the monster. He's eating pizza. He has a birthday hat, and he has his little Harry Potter glasses on. It's this really nice size monster too. I want to do something totally different with this monster than they've shown. Then they have the happy birthday die set with the arm holding a cup of coffee or a beer, or you can make it a root beer. It says cheers to you, coffee first, then cake. And it has everything you need to make the arm, the sleeves, the watch, the beer mug, and the coffee mug. And I will be using this soon. And then last but not least is the champagne bottle, to another year worth of toasting. They've used that that sentiment is really cute. And here are the dies for that. And I did use this one. I shared it in a video, and I'll share the card again at the end. And then this wonderful embossing folder. It's called Confetti Drops. And it's all the little confetti there. One thing I love about Spellbinders is they have really large embossing folders, so you can use them for a lot of things, and not just cards, because of the large embossing folder that you get. All right, so let me share the new cards that I made, the kit. And I will be coming back on and sharing other cards made from this kit. I won't show the contents again, but I'll show you the cards that I made. And it also, forgot to show you, it comes with this splatter effect, and it's the lime zest. How pretty is that? And you just shake it up really well, And then you can just use it for splatter on your cards. And then it also comes with the bases for your card. I don't use white bases, so I've been using these as layering pieces, just so to use the paper up. So let me show you the cards that I made. First up, I used the rub-ons, and how cute is that? So chocolatey. Chocolatey, I can't even say it. Happy birthday to you. And here's the embossing folder. I just pulled out some cardstock from my scraps, and I used the die. I can't think of the name of the die set I used, but I'll put it in the comments below or right under below. But isn't that beautiful? I think this turned out really nice, and that embossing folder in the back really makes it pop. And I layered it. I didn't use any foam, but I layered it using the card bases, you know, cutting out, I think, 3. And so it'll be a little chunky. It's the first card. And then the second card I made was this one here, using the rub-on. Isn't that pretty? Here's to another beautiful year ahead. I think that turned out really nice. I don't have the best results with rub-ons, but these worked beautifully. And then I wanted to revisit the card that I made and I shared in another video. It's for my husband for our anniversary. So these are the cards that I've made with the card kit so far. More to come. Let me know if you purchased this card kit and have you made it any cards. I think it's a really good kit and worth the money. It's a, you know, not inexpensive, but I think you'll get a lot out of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.